As I thought, you're 100. But now I can stop that recording, and as soon as that's done saving, which is gonna take a hot minute, because that's in, well, practically almost 9-hour recording, so that's gonna take a hot minute. But we are down in the nitty-gritty and we are done. Would you believe it? Nigma Galaxy taking it with a close battle. You wouldn't believe it. Those mix buses aren't even in use. So that's all those, all inputs that needs to be muted are muted. Those are not muted, but that's because those were never used. Because they're consistent, and then we got those, the main desk, and that was about it, which means those can, theoretically speaking, just get blacked. And that means bada bing, bada boom. That's it for ESL seasons finals this year. Would you look at that? I'm just gonna go. But please can that undo button stop being a pain in the butt? Apparently no. Anywho, that is believe it or not, that is it. That is it for ESL Winter Finals. So, I suppose it's about time to wrap shit up. Would really like to have something to listen to, but apparently we are totally out of stuff. Unless I had some WoW stuff that was transferred onto that other drive, which I might have, but don't think so, to be honest. So I think it's better if we just start and wrap things up, since there ain't much to quote-unquote fuck up here. Lights out here can go on. This box can come in. I mean, the XLR box has been standing here since we rigged up on Friday. Oh. So yeah, set up, shoot down. You can now safely switch off. And yes, indeed, I will. No, I do not. Lost connection. I do not want to try to reload, quote unquote. Alright. That is a round down. All of this is hooked into power now. But to be honest, I think we can just disconnect the power now. To be honest, the only thing on power right now is just literally this entire setup, and that's pretty much the only thing. So we can cut power to this now. Okay, then we take you down then. Clonk. Alright. Move these fucks back here, please. Thank you. So yeah, that is, believe it or not, that is it. So now, I guess we could start with the easy stuff. I mean, supposedly first, let's move that webcam out of the way. So that way I can move this out of the way, since that's kind of a lot in the way. So the first thing I suppose we could start with is putting this sub, which is our quote-unquote standby sub, or what you want to call it. Basically the sub that stands here for when, well, default use, quote-unquote. Get that one back up on here. Then you can go, well, I suppose power is technically speaking one of the things you disconnect the last, but I suppose since you're already so quote-unquote good into ripping down that side of things, I suppose you might as well just do it now. Ow, fuck. The one problem here now is that I have left me so little slack that pulling this thing out ain't the easiest thing in the world. Now, this coil itself should be pretty much ready, quote-unquote, to go down in here. This one should, theoretically speaking, just go down in there. Yes, like that. And then the rest can just be wrapped on top of it. So there we go. That's power, quote-unquote, out of the way. Now all that stuff goes that way. Can move the console now, since that is fully disconnected. Okay, I got it. Position this sub a little better. Ow, fuck. Now, where did I yeet that other XLR cable? Here. Quote unquote the other way. So now I saved that PC set 2 thing. And if I saved that correctly, number 8 should be this speaker. And number 7 should be that speaker, and then number 8 should be the sub. So now, theoretically speaking, oh god, yeah, this was kinda the quote-unquote fun I was not looking forward to. Now, is this even the correct cable? No, this is the wrong cable. That's the cable we want. Whilst this cable is the cable we want to go back to where it came from, which was over there. Which means you want to go out of there and go back over to the other side eventually. Then we want you to go out of there. We want her to declip and to quote-unquote come out. Alright, okay. This is all the cables currently quote-unquote belonging / is connected over. So the only cable we want out of here now is this one. There we go. Thank you very much. And you can come out of here. And then all of this mess can come on top of this table and quote-unquote get taken care of. But that means now, besides from quote-unquote second sub cable, which is going to be channel A, but since we're now moving back to the other setup, that means that's going to become channel A, which means this one is going to become the non-channel A, and then we got and the rest of this are cables belonging to that, and this is the one going over there, which means quote-unquote we are done in the back here, which means this can go back into where it was positioned. Then you and sub can get schlonked over to the other side. Oh no, wait a minute. Never mind, or did we move it back? Maybe we moved it back. Oh, wait a minute. No, we didn't move it back. Here's what happened. I had an extender on that thing. I forgot about that. No, it is still... it is still... it is still... okay, brödmate. It is still 6, 7, 8, but with an extender on it. Okay, all right. We do not need this stuff stuck in that. We do not need any of that. All right, okay. So we got this one, and we got two older ones here. So there we got you going in the bottom there. Then we have this glorious mess So first of all, Ethernet. Then we have the pigtail of madness, which there should only be 2 cables left in. Yes. This thing is still stopping recording, excuse me. Is it using this? Is it having any disk usage? Well, once the correct disks show up, that is. Well, yes, they are. The disk usage is popping on and off, so it's doing something. It's getting there, I suppose. Because I'm gonna be so annoyed if that does not save. You have no idea. Now I feel like I am missing a Velcro strap. Unless it's down there somewhere. I don't know. I know I have one cable going from there to there, and then I got one cable going from there to there. That's what I know. Well, never mind. I know where the last strap was. Or so I think, at least. Well, no, I do not, because that belonged to the chargers. Never mind. I thought I found it, but nope. I did not. Thought so, though. Bro, this one is tight, yo. Oh god, and then it's what of this cable is actually this. Oh god, Jesus. Oh god, oh Jesus. What the fuck? Excuse me. Where the fuck are you going? Pyramid. Jesus. Maybe there was always one that did not have. To be honest, I have no fucking idea at this point. So, out of everything here. So here is you and the infamous fucking cloud lifter, which is going back in here. Now. Then we got this computer, quote unquote laptop, and that one coming out of there. This one can go over there. Then we got our quote unquote XLR right here, together with our other U and the other power coming out. And we got that one patch cable of ours, and the entire slunky honk of a cable. So I suppose this table is quote unquote what gets put in the back of the audio graveyard, since it does now have this slunky donk of an internet cable hooked to its ass. So I suppose that's the way it goes. So there we go. That means this table can now move out of here and out of the way. That means that's out of the way. The rest of this stuff is just the sheer amount of fucking cable. This is set to resume, so I'm just gonna quit it. And yeah, that's it as far as you go, for now at least. Where is audio engineer backpack? And, you know, you just gotta love the aftermath. You know. And, you know, you just gotta love the aftermath. Yes, indeed you do. Oh boy. Oh God, Jesus, that's still connected. Eat. Fronk. So there you're out. Slonk, e-cronk. All right. Here we go. hell did I disconnect? Oh yeah. That is what I disconnected. This is this charger. Oh, it's still stopping recording. Come on. Don't make me cry. Just fucking, please. Just fucking. Oh. Save. For fuck's sake. Just fucking save. If you fucking don't manage to save, I swear to God, I'm gonna fucking... Amen. Fuck's sake. Well, here the annoying thing is that the fucking keyboard cable got wrapped up in this shite. You schlunk. And now we gotta do this sneakaroo to get this stuff out of here. Then let's get the mouse and keyboards out of the equation first. So there, mouse is out, and there we go. Keyboard is out. I'm just gonna record the end to this video manually. That's kind of black. The end of this video I didn't really include because I got kind of annoyed because I had recorded this entire session in OBS and OBS decided to fuck up. So basically, first of all, the first recording I took from the day before, it only has it has double audio because desktop audio was still enabled. And second of all, the the other thing, which is kind of annoying, is that oh god, my brain, is that it only saved about 4 hours out of 12 hours, whatnot, of the last day, so the finals. So that's kind of annoying, but I'm just gonna end the video here. So thank you guys for watching the Neko Live Gaming. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you did, a like would be greatly appreciated, and as always, check out the links down below. So yeah, and until further notice, stay tuned and stay awesome, and Neko Live Gaming out.